Better is your name Gloria because you didn't glow. Where's it out?
Ryan Little.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. This is Bethan's corner, my corner, our corner. Okay guys, I'm so excited about today's video. I mean, from the title you guys can already tell that I'm here to share my skincare routine with you guys, because for some reason I feel like I've been doing something right. You guys have been really praising me, really hyping my head and everything. So I told myself, you know what, since I have time today, I'm just going to, you know, go ahead and share with you guys every single thing that I use. But now I need to put this disclaimer out there because some people mouth's not good. But why are you showing us your skin? It's not even like your skin is all that bad belly. Wait to concern you. Now I'm not here coming to post to you guys like I have a perfect skin. I do not. Okay guys, I still have my dark spots on my face, and if I'm being very honest with you guys here, my face is still a work in progress. So no, I'm not coming to tell you I have the best skin and all of that. I have a great skin, like no doubt. See, you can't even make me feel bad about my skin. I love myself the way I am, even with the black spots. I mean, would I want to get rid of them? Yes, but since I'm not there yet, I just have to make do with what I have, because what I have is gold. Okay, I know. I know. Okay, so yeah, without wasting any more time guys, let's just dive right into this skincare routine. Now I'm not going to be sharing the skincare for just my face. I'm actually going to show you guys what lotion I use on my skin as well. Maybe that's something you're interested in. Now of course you should be interested because that's why you're here, right? Okay, so let's dive in. All right, the first thing I do once I'm ready to start my day, you know, maybe get set to work or whatever it is, the first thing I do is to clean my face. And to do that, I use this Beauty Formulas micellar cleansing water. This is what it looks like, guys. This is what it looks like. Now I know that I have shown this to you guys 2 years ago or not, or more than that said, because this is what I've been using. Okay, it works really well for my skin. I don't have so much of a preference when it comes to things like this. As long as my skin does not react to it, I just stick with it, because I don't like to use plenty things on my face. So this has been working really good, and yeah, I just chose to stay with it. And to apply that on my face, I use this Spa Cotton Maxi cotton pad. Of course you can go ahead to use any cotton pad of your choice, but this is the one that I use. Okay, so I'm just going to, you know, get one of that and apply this to the pad. Okay, now I'm doing this before even washing my face. Okay, it's not like you have to wash your face before doing this, because at night I had applied my what's it called now, my face cream and all of that. So now I have to get it off before washing. Okay, now once I'm done with cleaning my face, because I mean you need to do this, I was talking to my sister at this point, but yeah, once I'm done cleaning, I just go ahead with my black soap. This is the Dudu Osho black soap. I know I've shown you guys this a couple of times, and the truth is this is what I use for my face. This is just for the purpose of this video. I already have the one I'm using, you know. I'm just showing you guys what it looks like, you know, straight out from the box. Okay, so you just want to get your hands wet a bit, and then, you know, rub the soap into your palm and just massage it into your skin. I recently learned that it's better for you to put the soap in your palm and rub it on your face than actually putting the bar of soap on your face directly. You know, I don't know why that is, but I mean, I read it up on a lot of blogs. I saw a lot of, you know, skin gurus talk about it, and you know, I just had to incorporate that as well. Another thing I learned is, you know, it's always very advisable to make sure to massage the soap, whatever cleansing soap it is, make sure to massage that into your skin for at least 1 minute. That's the 60 seconds rule. So whilst I'm rubbing my face, I'm there counting 60 seconds. So I go like 60 seconds, 59, 58, 57, you know, up until I get to 1. And then at this point, you know, there's a chance that the soap has done its work and I can go on ahead to wash that off my face. Okay, and please make sure to wash your neck as well. I mean, whatever product you're using on your face, try to extend it to your neck. Guys, at this point I'm just going to jump in the shower, take a bath, and then, you know, when I come back out, we'll continue. Okay, so let's just go and have a shower, okay? Now, of course, if you know Betha, you would know that I'm still that girl that takes her bath with her hand gloves. At this point, yeah, I'm just showing you guys my bathing soap. So I use the St. Ives Purification Bar Soap, and this is again for the purpose of this video. I already have the one I'm using, which is actually what I'm going to take my bath with. It has a bit of particles in it. I don't know how to explain it, but I just like how it feels on my skin. Plus I love the fragrance of the soap. So yeah, let's just do this very quickly, okay? Now at this point, I'm just going to go ahead to wash my face the second time, and I do that with a different hand glove. Guys, never ever use the same sponge for your body and your face. Like, don't do that, okay? If you want to use the hand gloves, make sure to use different colors so it's easy for you to differentiate, okay? And to wash my face the second time, I'm actually going to be using this face wash, and this is something I've shown you guys before. It's the T3 foaming face wash, and I just love how this smells. I love how it feels on my skin. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead, apply a few pumps on my wet glove, and then scrub my face. Now please note that I do not scrub my face with so much power, because I use an exfoliating glove every day, and you know how they say that's not really good for you to over exfoliate your skin. So I just go ahead to scrub my face gently and wash off, okay? Now to clean up my body, I use a different face towel for my face and a completely different towel for my body, because you want to make sure to protect your face from every form of germs. You know how good say the same towel where you chook inside your nyash, clean your nyash, you still use and clean your face. Like, waiting come be the skincare way they do. Waiting with the skincare. It all makes sense. Okay, so make sure to use a different face towel. Of course, to brush my teeth, I will be using my toothbrush. It's the Colgate toothbrush alongside the Long Reach toothpaste. That's what I've been using. I want to say thank you to one of you guys who recommended this Long Reach toothpaste to me. Ever since she recommended it and even gifted me 2 of it, I have never since looked back, okay? So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead now to quickly brush my teeth, because skincare without brushing of teeth, now dirty, you be dirty pig, okay? Now that my teeth is all clean, I just had to go in with my tongue scraper, because again, I have talked to you guys about the importance of scraping your tongue. Dirt leave on your tongues, and you want to help yourself by scraping your tongues, okay? At this point, I just go in with my rose water toner. I make sure to use a toner that has rose water, because it has this cooling effect. So regardless of whatever type of soap you use and just how your skin reacts, the rose water tends to tone that down a bit. And I use the Q7 Glycerin Rose Water Toner. I just apply that with my cotton pad and make sure to moisturize my face with it, because it also has this moisturizing effect, okay? As soon as I let the toner sink into my skin, I go in with my Naturals Vitamin C Facial Serum. This actually has vitamin C20, astaxanthin, I don't know how to pronounce that, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, arbutin, and green tea. So I just make sure to massage that into my skin, and I always try to apply that facing upwards, because they say when you apply things upwards, your face doesn't sag easily, and you know, Betha doesn't want her face to sag, you know. So I go in with that, and I also extend it to my neck. Again, whatever you apply on your face, please extend to your neck, okay? By now you guys can see that the glowing skin is already popping through. But yeah, I go in with my Nivea Perfect and Radiant Even Tone Day Cream. This has the day and night cream, but because it's morning time, I use the day cream, okay? Now this is actually the first face cream that I would apply on my face every single day, okay? And of course, I'll go in with my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Face Cream. Guys, I love this face cream so much. Like, it just takes my face to another level. I love how it makes my skin pop. I love how it makes my skin glow, because you know, we need that glowy face, okay? So yes, I just apply this generously to my face, and of course, almost immediately you can see how glowy my face is. Like, it works like magic, guys, and it's really lightweight. I just love how it feels. It feels like nothing on my face, actually. And for my skin, guys, I use the Nivea Nourishing Cocoa Moisturizing Cream. I mean, it smells like heaven, okay? I love how it smells. I love how it moisturizes my skin. It doesn't make me sweat so much, so why not? Like, it just makes this my chocolate skin pop more. So yeah, I'm a fan. I'm a huge fan of Nivea and, you know, most of their products, okay? Now, like I always say, make sure to moisturize your lips, okay? I'm a preacher of that, and for that, I will be using this aloe vera lip balm. I was trying to get it to focus, but I mean, it just didn't want to focus. So yeah, just use any lip balm of your choice. After I'm done with this, I of course go in with my baby girl's lip gloss. Okay, it's the Izzy Williams lip gloss. And yes, guys, I love this. This is like one holy grail that I go with every single time since she launched it. I love it so much, and I mean, I'm giving it a thumbs up because it just finishes the work for me. Alright, guys, that's it from me on the skincare routine. I hope you guys picked one or two things. Okay, guys, that's basically what I use on my skin. There's no hidden product anywhere. I know that there's a particular product that I'm looking to get. It's quite on the pricey side. So once I buy that and, you know, start to try it, and I find any significant difference, you know, with my face and all of that, I will definitely mention that to you guys. But for now, this is what I'm working with and I'm satisfied with it. Now, just one thing missing here. I mean, because I'm not going anywhere today, I'm not particularly entering the sun today. That's why I didn't show that to you guys. But on a normal day, okay, when I'm stepping out, you know, when I have errands to run and all of that, I always try to use my Neutrogena Hydro Boost, what's this thing called again, water gel lotion sunscreen, and it has the broad spectrum SPF 50. Okay, so this has the SPF 50, guys. I don't use this every day, and the reason is this, yeah, when I use it, I tend to sweat a lot. I know that's what happens with a lot of sunscreens and all of that, so I'm not really religious with it, but I still have it and I still use it, and I felt like I needed to mention that to you guys, okay? I mean, one of the reasons why I sometimes feel like, you know, the sunscreen is too much, is also because my Nivea face cream has, you know, SPF 15, but then again, what you need for your face is actually SPF 50, not necessarily Neutrogena. But then when you want to get any sunscreen, make sure that it has SPF 50, okay? That has the tendency to protect your face a lot more from the sun, especially with that we are here in Nigeria, okay? It's just really important that we use sunscreens for our faces. I know that in this part of the world, you know, we don't necessarily pay attention to this because the weather is really humid and all of that, and you guys will not blame us. It's really hot out here, okay? It's hot out here. But yeah, this is the sunscreen that Betha uses, okay? Now, the only thing else would be for me to wear my perfumes, guys. I do not wear just one perfume, okay? I have this atomizer thingy, you know, where I would literally just, you know, mix up a lot of scents, because I don't want you to come and smell me and say, oh, Betha, now what you use with this? I mean, I want to confuse your nostrils a bit, okay? So I try to add a lot of fragrances, a lot of scents to this atomizer. Guys, this is an atomizer. This is pocket friendly. You can go anywhere with this, okay? Yeah, but then, you know, of course, you guys already know me. I tend to use the Versace Yellow Diamond, guys. This is what it looks like, okay? It's the, let me show you guys that. So once I wear my perfumes, I'm good to go. This is what it actually looks like. And I also use this Versace blue jeans. I mean, I don't always wear Versace. It's just one of my favorite scents, you know, but I have other scents, all right? So this is the Versace blue jeans. This is actually for guys. There's the Versace red jeans, and for me, this is my preference. It stays longer, and yeah, sometimes I just don't want to smell like flowers, okay? I want to smell like, you know, but yeah, this is my preference. This is the Versace blue jeans, okay? And of course, I also have my body mist here. I love this body mist so much, guys. This costs less than 2,000 naira. This is the My Choice fragrance mist. It's under the Body Luxuries collection, guys. This is what it looks like, and I love it, okay? This is a fresh bottle. I love it so much. I love it. I mean, not just this is My Choice. I think these Body Luxuries, they have quite a good number of scents. So every time I go to the mall, I will find another one that smells better than the previous one. And that's basically what happened with this one, okay? So yeah, that's it from me, guys. That's it from me on the skincare skincare. Okay, I'm done with this. Can I rest now? Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section, do you use any of the products that I shared with you guys? If yes, let me know which ones you use and how it's been working for your skin. If you haven't, also let me know if you're going to be trying out any of the products that I shared with you guys. Again, I'm not a skin guru, I'm not a skin expert. I just thought to share with you guys what I use on my skin, since I got a lot of compliments from you guys telling me how, you know, nice my skin was looking and all of that. Okay, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to share this video with anyone who is trying to start out on their skincare journey and is not ready to spend so much. I mean, some of these things are a bit pricey, but I mean, there are people who use more things. So if they're trying to start out, you can share this with them. You know, they can take it one step at a time. You don't necessarily have to buy all the products one day. I mean, I see a lot of you already started buying the serum that I showed you guys, because I had showed that in my vlog and people had been asking, oh, Betha, where can I get it? Where can I get it? I truly appreciate that, guys. Thank you so much for always wanting to be a part of whatever it is that I represent. I do not take that for granted. Okay, I love you guys so much. This video wasn't particularly the easiest to film, but I'm really excited that I finally got that out of the way. Okay, thank you so much. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.